Hi, Dr. M again. Hope you're okay and you had a wonderful night and day. And we're praying for those who are not feeling well to get better. Yeah, so today I just came to tell you about common illnesses that happen in our homes, in our lives. And this is none other than flu and cough. Okay, these are some of the illnesses that actually take our money. Yeah, those who have children, you can testify. But we have often found out that they are also equally mistreated. Like you find, especially we parents, a child has a cough and flu, and you run to the pharmacy or drug shop, and you are given antibiotics. Now we're not killing area, okay? Anyway, you don't know. I really don't blame you, but unless the child has a high temperature, okay, like 39, 38, 39, 40, yeah, and which I wouldn't still advise you to keep that child at home. I would advise you take the child at the hospital. Most often, these coughs and flus are viral related, especially in children who are below 5 years. Kati oyo doctor oyo omusawo oyo akuwadde antibiotic nga temuli temperatures, temuli like chest pains, no difficulty in breathing, nakuterako antibiotics, aba ali mu kumenya kibumba ky'omwana wo, okay? Because he's subjecting the liver to detoxify those antibiotics for nothing, okay? Cough and flu, I want to tell you, especially in children below 5 years and below, they are mostly viral related. Virus, okay? And virus, one, they are self-limiting, okay? You just support the immune system to fight them off. So most often we don't need antibiotics. Kati, so what do we do, doctor? So that's why I'm telling you, let's support the immune system. Let's give that child immune boosters, okay? And also, I want to give you something that you are going to add on top of that, and it's going to help you. It's going to help fight this cough and flu naturally without any other side effects, because this is a naturally produced cough linctus here in Uganda, and I can tell you, supervised by me, okay? I'm a medical doctor, so we made sure this syrup fits, okay, our body, all right? And I can tell you it is certified by National Drug Authority. Yeah, so please don't be scared to take this natural remedy in the doses that are prescribed on the label. Yeah, and that's why we insist, please don't take it as a juice. And it's none other than Clinella linctus, okay? I know some of you have used it, and I know some of you have really very good feedback and testimonies, and it has worked. So look it out from all our pharmacies. It's being enrolled out. So just ask your pharmacy or drug shop near you to stock it, and you'll not regret. Parents, have this in your homes, okay? Have this. Actually, it can act as an immunity booster. Every time the child coughs, or even before you wait for them to cough, just give a sip every morning to every child. You are going to chase cough and flu in your home. I am telling you. I have done it in my home. I don't know when the last time I treated cough and flu in my home. Yeah, so it's tested, certified, no worries, okay? So just take the dose as it is. Don't just take as if you're taking water or juice. I know some of you take it as water or juice. No, it's a medicine, and take as prescribed on the label. If you look here, The dosages are there, okay? So please look it out, Clinella Linctus. You will not regret. So let's avoid taking self-medication, all right? Where even if you take this Clinella and the fevers are persisting, actually, if there are fevers also, Clinella Linctus will not help. Okay, it means there's a certain bug that is causing these fevers. Okay, it may not be a cough and flu alone. The child may be having other infections. It could be a bacterial, it could be malaria. Okay, so even if you have if you have cough and flu and you are taking Clinella Linctus, please take the child to the hospital, okay, for further assessment. So avoid self-medication, and let's try our best to seek for medical attention. Don't just take things, okay? Don't just take drugs. Please, doctors are available online, everywhere. You have friends, you have buddies. I am here. My number is in the bio there, so you can check it out, and we can always advise on what to do. So let's keep ourselves safe. Let's protect our liver, okay, from all these drugs, unnecessary drugs. So I want to sign out, and I want to say, please take care of yourselves, check yourselves, get these regular checkups, and let's mind what we eat. Please include physical fitness, exercise in your curriculum, in your day-to-day activities. May God bless you. See you next time.